my god, listen to Dozer growl. I'm actually shocked. Oh, how gentle Jabba's being. Oh. Dozer. Dozer, are you playing keep away? Are you playing keep away? I love that Dozer's getting brave and playful. Good boy, Dozer. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Jabba. I'm actually surprised at how gentle Jabba's being. Because Jabba's just a puppy too, even though he's like big. He's not even 6 months old yet. Listen to Dozer growl. It's so cute. Run, Dozer, run. Oh. Good boys. Good boys. Playing so nice. Go, Dozer, go! He's definitely not scared anymore. He used to be like scared of Jabba. Run! Oh. I'm so proud of both of them right now. Dozer's getting brave and oh, gentle. Hey, gentle Jabba, gentle. Right as I said, I'm so proud of them. But Dozer's getting like brave and more playful and not scared, and which is amazing. And Jabba, despite him being able to literally probably toss Dozer around with that toy, he's being like really gentle. Look how cute they are. They're having so much fun.